How did improving transform customer experience with AI in the community management industry? The customer faced a major challenge. Their community app's resident request feature was slow and inefficient. Managers were taking almost 45 minutes to respond to each request, leading to frustration and a poor user experience. Improving built a human-in-the-loop generative AI system using AWS Bedrock, LangChain, and the Anthropic models. This system generates draft responses based on community documents, and then the managers can approve, edit, or discard those. This reduced the average response time to under 5 minutes. And the architecture included tool routing agents, retrieval augmented generation, and even compliance, focusing on data handling, and then integrating storage systems. The result? Faster service, happier residents, and a scalable solution that the client plans to roll out across all communities in the United States. This project shows how AI can enhance, not replace, human decision-making. By keeping managers in control, we built trust and delivered measurable business impact.